welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you along to a visit to a bird store that I go to. They only sell birds, and they have actually hundreds of birds in there, and they sell bird supplies as well. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more pet related videos and stay tuned to see the tour. Well, this is Aves Canada. Beautiful. Oh, look at this ringneck. Nice color. Hi. Oh, beautiful. Oh, wow, you're pretty. Very, very pretty. Hello, you're beautiful. Hello. Hi. Who's in here? Oh, it's a little baby African grey. He's already talking. Starting to talk. Oh, hi, beautiful. Look at these beautiful Conures. Rosie Bourkes, you're beautiful. Hello, this is Suncheeks. You're beautiful. Hello. Hi. You're very pretty. Look at all the canaries. Lots of canaries here. Hi guys, why are you so red? Beautiful canaries. Nice red factor canaries. Gorgeous. You guys are huge. They're so round. Here's some pretty Gouldings. There's a Parrot Finch. Some zebra finches. And here's a pretty turquoisine. The female, and this is, look at this, the budgie down at the bottom is a cinnamon, right there, cinnamon color, nice. Hello, you're a beautiful cockatiel. Hello. Look at these beautiful canaries. They almost look pink. Gorgeous. There's a lots of finches in here. I see some zebra finches and shaft-tails, owl finches, green singers. Here's some more finches. Oh, there's some parrot finches or parrot-headed finches. Society finches. I think I saw a few in there. This is another cage of birds, and I see zebra finches. I see Cuban finches in there, owl finches. There's some finches, I don't know what they are, but there's green finches. There's a Cuban finch there. And here's some budgies, all different colors. So here's some finches, or I don't know what they are. I see a Java finch there, the white one is the Java. I don't know what the other ones are. There's a green finch. And here's a lot of green singing finches and lavender finches. They're beautiful. I love it. And here's some beautiful cockatiels. Hi guys! So they sell a lot of bird supplies. Show cages, flight cages, breeding boxes, all kinds of feeders, bird toys, cages, lots of food, some carriers up there, egg food. It's a very nice store, I like it. Mealworms. I'm gonna buy myself another one of these cages, probably for my canaries. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the bird store. Lots of nice birds in there. Oh, I love them all. I wanted those Suncheeks, so nice and beautiful. The Bourkes and the turquoisine and all those canaries singing beautifully. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you in the next video. So bye-bye!